but you move me, honey. Yes, you do. Now and again, I get the feeling, well, if I don't win, I'm gonna break even. Rescue me. Should I go wrong if I dig too deep? If I stay too long?